This is BB Ventures. This is what we call fabrics molding art. I will just explain how I mold it. You get your paper mat, then get the material that goes along with the color that you want to use. Spread it on top of the paper mat. If you want it to be inside and outside, that means you are going to place one at the front of your paper mat and place another cloth at the back of your paper mat. When you mold it, it will come out like this. It's a fabric molding. It's not every time that you'll be using dye to dye your fascinator. This another one is a fabric molding. I spread cloth on it, on my paper mat, and I mold it out inside and outside. And this another one, the owner wants it to be silver and black. And what I do is that I mix the color of the fabrics, then I bring it out. I'm going to design the 3 fascinator. It's for a customer. But I just want you to have an idea that you can use fabrics, that is cloth, net cloth, all these lace, light lace, to mold your fascinator, to give it another beauty. Now, I'm going to design one for you out of all these 3 fascinators. I'm going to design this one. Please, if you don't know how to mold fascinator, please go to my page and check how to mold fascinator. This fascinator is molded like art. I mold the edge separate and I mold the brim separate. Then after it, I join it together like heart. That is how we get this. Some people call it Hatinator. Art, how to make art, go to my page, you will see how to make a full art. Then you will get the way we are making Hatinator. Now, you tack this feather on your fascinator. Tack the feather first. You use your needle and thread to tack it. You can see I've joined my feather. Then if you have another design like bow to place on it, cut your own size. You can cut 5 by 6, depends on how small you want it to be. Then the next thing is that I use fabrics that I used to mold art to cover the paper mat for the design. Then I'll just fold it like this, then do it like this, then tack it here. Then that is, you have formed a bow. Now you do your hemming from down, from the edge to the end of it after folding it together. Then you run it again. Now I'm going to place it like this, then use this one to design it. You can gum it or you can tack it. Then place it. Place it like this. You can reduce the size of this. Reduce the size. Cut it out because it's wire. It's joined with wire. Then you can use your wax candle to do it, or you tack it together. See the design. Push your feather up. Put the feather up like this. See the design. You put your Alice band If you don't know how to put Alice band, please check my page. You will see how to fix Alice band on your fascinator. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.